All right, so today we're looking at the All Clad stainless steel measuring cups. These things are pretty awesome. I've already opened it up and took the plastic off. This is where I'm coming from. It's set like this, very generic set, stainless steel. Don't weigh all that much. Let's see what they weigh. But they have sharp edges, sharp corners. Even the cup itself is pretty sharp. So let's look and see. This whole set right here weighs 13 ounces, so under a pound. And they're good. You know, I would keep them for like doing crafts or something of that nature, because they got scratched up pretty easily and they're actually starting to stain. These stains won't come out of this steel. So got a new set, and it's a pretty fancy set because I like cooking. And those things are heavy. Okay, so we're gonna put these on the scale real quick, and that's where we'll start. So this set, can you guess what this set weighs? It weighs almost 2 pounds. So we're at 1 pound, 11.5 ounces. Now, you're thinking, why pay the extra money for a set like this? Well, if you look inside this, there's no graduations or anything. And in here, you have a 1/4 cup, but inside, it splits it in half for you, so you have an 1/8 cup in 1 spoon, or cup. And you go through the set, okay? And what I hate is there's never ever a 3/4 cup measuring. Okay, so here we got your 2/3, and then it goes from 2/3, if I can pop it with one hand here, to 1 cup. But in your 1 cup, you've got 1/4, half, and 3/4. And I usually find myself using the half for one ingredient and needing another half for something else. So these measuring cups are the solution to that. They look like little pots. They actually look like the All Clad pots that they make for your stove. And I think that's pretty cool. Now, while I don't have a set of those, I do like the way that these are designed. They're rounded, they're not sharp. The edges are smooth. One thing I do wish they had on the larger cup was the little dip here for pouring. But I'd also like to point out that I just noticed this one has split. The generic ones have split. So you can pay the price, you know, 30 bucks for a stainless steel set that is going to crack on you eventually. Or you can pay a little bit more and get a nice set that is guaranteed warranty and seamless with the rivets on the inside, instead of using a quick solder job. But, you know, it's personal preference. I would not push these on anybody unless you're a serious chef or cook. These will do for just about every household out there, but for a little bit of style and functionality, I went with some All Clad stainless steel measuring cups.